Hi, grade 4. Today in our new story we have a vocab skill which is suffixes. Okay, what are suffixes? When I say suffixes, means they are group of letters. Okay, but where are these group of letters? Usually suffixes, they are added to the end of words. Okay, so the suffixes, they are group of letters added to the end of words. How? Of course we have many suffixes. Okay, and one of the suffixes, I mentioned it in the story. Okay, when we read the story, there was the words, for example, pictureless, right? Picture, we have base word picture and less. See, less in the end of the word is a suffix. As I told you, it means without. So when I say pictureless, means without picture. Or also we had the word wordless. What does it mean, wordless? Word is the base word and less is the, what do we call it? We call it a suffix. So without word. Okay, I gave you this example now about list because we had it in the story and we already mentioned it. Okay, but in our lesson suffixes on practice book page 47, okay, we have the suffix full. We will be talking about the suffix full. Okay, so we will talk about words that end with full. Clear? Like what? If I say, for example, wonderful, what does it mean, full? The base word actually is wonder. Full is the suffix. What does it mean, full? Full, it's like something is full with. Okay, so wonderful, it means full of wonder. It's like beautiful. Okay, full of wonder. If I say plentiful, what does it mean, plentiful? First of all, you have to know where is the base word. Okay, the base word is plenty. What does it mean, plenty? Plenty means a lot. Okay, plentiful, so it's full of. Plenty means a lot, so plentiful means a lot. So if I say there are plentiful of grains, for example. So plentiful means a lot of grains. Okay, so let's see the words that we have here. We have wonderful, as we said, plentiful, unlawful. What does it mean, lawful? Forget about un, we talk about it later because it's a prefix. So let's talk about lawful. Law, something when something is legible. Okay, lawful means full of law. Okay, means it's permitted. Handful, what does it mean, handful? Full of hand. Handful, when I say handful, means hand full. For example, I tell you, give me handful of rice, means put rice here in your hand, fill it rice. Handful of rice. Okay, my hand is full of rice, for example. Willful, what does it mean, willful? When someone is willful, it's mean he is very determined, he is stubborn. Okay, when he wants to do something, nobody can stop him, nothing can stop him. He is willful, means he has the full will to do the thing. Thoughtful, when someone is thoughtful, means He is full of thoughts. He has a lots of thoughts, a lot of ideas. He's creative. He has a lot of things to say. Surprisingly, what does it mean, surprisingly? There is no full here, but they gave us this word. Surprisingly means in a surprising way. Okay? So let's read these sentences. I have 4 done for you, and the other 4 sentences you are going to do them as a homework at home. Okay? The page is already pictured and attached to your agenda on iSchool application. So let's start. Number 1, the harvest was rich and wonderful. So the harvest, it was rich and wonderful, means it was a very good harvest. The queen looked thoughtful as she read the new law. She was reading the law, but how she looked thoughtful. It's like she looked at, she has lots of information. She has lots of thoughts, ideas. She is knowledgeable. Number 3, the baker made the chocolate cake that was bountiful. Bountiful, it's like tasty. It's like juicy. It's like full of tastes. 4, the number of apples picked was plentiful. What does mean plentiful? Means a lot, as we said. So we shared them with our neighbors. We always do this as a good deed, right? When we have anything that, when we have plentiful of fruits or when we have plentiful of vegetables, we share them with our neighbors, we share them with our relatives. Okay, so plentiful means a lot. Is that clear? I hope so. You have 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to do them as a homework. Write only the answers on your comprehension copybook. Good luck. Thank you.